Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Creative Zen Pro with your Android device. You have to start by open settings, then go to connected devices. Now click pair new device. And after that you should turn on your headphones by press and hold for at least 2 seconds. Here we go, it entered to pairing mode automatically, so now we should see that. And we did it, so just click on it, pair. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.